Welcome back to Smart Speak English.
Good to be back.
So we got some really interesting source material this time looking at improving English pronunciation.
That's right. And it focuses on one specific technique, something the source calls super quick and powerful.
Yeah, I saw that. They even gave it a name. The 3-minute practice trick. Bit catchy, right?
It is. And the promise is pretty bold, significantly better pronunciation in just, 3 minutes a day.
3 minutes. Okay, that definitely caught my eye.
Yeah.
Seems almost, too simple.
Well, that's what we're digging into. Let's unpack this 3-minute trick step by step based on what the source lays out.
Sounds good. Where does it start?
Okay. Step 1, according to the source, choose a short sentence. Keep it simple.
Any simple sentence. Does it give an example?
It does. The specific one they use is, I didn't understand what he said.
I didn't understand what he said. Okay. And why that one? Does the source say?
Yeah, it highlights that this sentence is good because it includes things like connected speech, stress, and intonation. Key stuff for sounding natural.
Right. Connected speech, how words kind of flow together. Stress, the emphasis points. Intonation, the melody of the voice. Makes sense you'd want a sentence that has all that.
Exactly. And the way you practice it, first, repeat it slowly. Really get the sounds right.
Okay.
Then speed it up. Try to feel that, that flow they talk about, like how native speakers link it all together.
Got it. So slow then fast, focusing on the flow. What's next? Step 2.
Step 2 is record yourself.
Using your phone, I assume.
Yep, simple as that. Use your phone's recorder, say the sentence clearly, maybe 3 times is what they recommend.
3 times, and then just recording isn't enough, surely.
No, the key part is to listen back. You need to actually hear yourself.
To catch the difference, yeah. What are you listening for?
The source says focus on the rhythm, the stress. Basically, try to identify what sounds natural in your recording and, just as importantly, what sounds a bit off.
Self-correction. And they had a pro tip for this too, didn't they?
They did. It suggests comparing your recording to, like, a native speaker. Find a clip on YouTube or a podcast, maybe.
Oh, I see. So you hear them, hear yourself, and try to bridge the gap.
Exactly. Try to match the tone and pace. It gives you a clear target to aim for.
That comparison sounds crucial.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've chosen a sentence, practiced it, recorded it, listened back, compared it. What's step 3?
Step 3 is shadow practice.
Shadowing. What exactly does that mean here?
The source defines it pretty simply. Listen and speak at the same time.
So you're like talking along with the native speaker audio, almost echoing them in real time.
Precisely. Find that native English audio again, maybe the same clip. Play one sentence and repeat it immediately.
Mimicking everything.
Yeah, try to copy their tone and rhythm as closely as you can, right as you hear it.
Okay, interesting. And this whole cycle, choose, record, shadow, that's the 3-minute routine.
That's the core of it. The source really emphasizes doing this for just 3 minutes every day. Consistency over quantity.
And they seem pretty confident about the results.
Very. The source claims, you'll be amazed at how quickly your pronunciation improves.
So to recap the source's idea, pick a good sentence, record and listen hard, then shadow a native speaker, all in 3 minutes.
And the underlying principle seems to be, keep it short, keep it consistent, little bursts, every day.
Right. So for you listening, the idea here coming from this source, it isn't about hours of drills, but this really focused, short daily habit that they suggest can make your English sound way more natural.
It's a neat little package, isn't it? Simple steps, tiny time commitment.
It really is. It makes you wonder, though, doesn't it? If the source is right and just 3 minutes a day of this very specific practice can make a noticeable difference in something like pronunciation,
yeah.
Well, it kind of raises a bigger question. What other skills, maybe totally different areas of learning, could see real improvement from that kind of super short, super consistent, deliberate effort?
That's a really interesting thought. The power of small, focused, daily actions, something definitely worth thinking about beyond just pronunciation.
Absolutely. Well, that's our deep dive into this 3-minute pronunciation trick. We hope you found that useful.
Yeah, definitely food for thought. And hey, if you enjoyed this discussion or found it helpful, please do give us a like and share it with anyone else who might be interested.
And don't forget to subscribe to Smart Speak English for more deep dives like this one. If you have any questions or your own experiences with techniques like this, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.
Definitely. See you next time.